So ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you today a store I ran into while doing some e-commerce research, and it's actually quite an impressive store. I'm not going to lie. There's a lot of things here that may be controversial, but they're going to be extremely valuable for you to learn about. So the store that I have right here is a store selling an oil of oregano supplement. And it's not just a normal store. These guys are completely crushing it, doing over 900,000 monthly visitors. With that estimate of traffic, we can deduce that they're likely doing anywhere from 2 million per month to 3 million per month. And I know that because I have an agency team that does media buying for a lot of huge brands, and we actually see over $9 million a year of ad spend. So we see a lot of Shopify stores, and I also built a demo store inside Shopify Lab, which is a learning center we built and an accelerator for Shopify builders. And you can see that we drove 72,000 monthly visitors and did 231,000 in sales. So that's about a 1 to 3 traffic to sales ratio. That's where that estimate comes from. But that's besides the point. All I want to show here is that this store is actually crushing it. So it's a good idea to get inspiration from what they're doing, at least as far as the marketing side goes. So one of the first things you can see about the store is that it's extremely clean. This is a beautiful Shopify store. It's got some awesome conversion rate optimization, things like this countdown timer for the new year. That's very clever. And then also these awesome bundles. So this is just an incredible offer where their new year deal, so very relevant, right, is to save over $119, and it's by giving you a buy two get one free, which is the pre-selected option here. So that's the default, and it's $60. So that's a beautiful price for a consumable product. Now, as you see, they pre-select this subscription option. I know that it's kind of a gray area, but we know huge brands like Rise, for example, they don't even show you an option to not subscribe. So you're always subscribing when you buy from this brand. And you see kind of some similarities actually between these two. These guys are one of the giants in the space. So if they're able to do 300 million a year and they have a pretty much pre-selected default subscription option, then I'm pretty sure it's fine for these guys to have it. But again, beautiful landing page. Like, I love everything that they've done here. All this stuff can be done actually quite easily with AI. And that's what I love about e-commerce right now, and why I'm so excited to be building demo stores like this, where we keep things extremely lean and we teach people how to do it as well, and also partner with more people to do it. More on that in a few minutes here. But it's because it's just so much easier these days to create an incredible branding experience for a completely random product, if you want, without having to invest tens of thousands of dollars into branding agencies, graphic designers, and product shoots. Not that those things are going away, but it's just really cool that the barrier to entry for this level of branding now, it's pretty low. Like, it's very accessible to everyone, which is super cool. And yeah, as you see, they kind of have this advertorial style lander, but it's still quite similar actually to how most e-com brands are, even the smaller dropshipping stores, for example. The only difference is that they just have more buttons available for you to just be able to buy. And I do think that increases the conversion rate a lot, actually. It probably increases the add to cart conversion rate. So a lot of people adding to cart, which is a very important step of the e-commerce funnel, right? You got your ad, then you got your landing page and add to cart, and then you got your checkout and your purchase. And yeah, then they got these reviews, and that's pretty much about it, right? So it's actually not a very complicated store. It's simple. They just have a really, really nice theme. I don't know what theme it is, but I think it's the Elixir theme, if I had to guess. It's a theme I've seen recently. I'd love to connect with the team actually at Elixir if anybody is watching. Now, the way that I found this brand is actually through GetHooked. So I've talked about a recent partnership here between Shopify Lab and GetHooked. And I was already using GetHooked actually before the partnership. So I'm glad that we're connected now with their team. And that's basically how I found it. I was using the Explore tab here, and I found this page called The Nutritionist. So they're running ads through an avatar page. Now, I don't know how compliant this really is, because this is probably not a real person. In fact, you can see some of their ads are getting banned and disabled. But either way, you don't have to run a theme page like this. You could run a theme page that is completely compliant, and the point still stands on this strategy where you're basically just creating your ideal avatar and making a page for them, whether it's like a news article page or just like a fan page, whatever it is, and then running ads through it. It's pretty smart. It's actually kind of an old school thing on Meta, but it's making a huge comeback because it's very effective. And the unsurprising thing about the brand is that they have over 600 active ads right now at once. So over 660 active ads, and they're constantly launching more, like literally every single day. What's really interesting is also how many advertorials they're testing. They're testing so many different advertorials like this where they're telling a story. In this case, we can highlight the headline: the hidden invaders living inside 85% of Americans right now. So, and then they give you the estimated reading time, and it's by some doctor. They're even running these like very native static ads. As you see, flush out what doesn't belong, feel the reset. Still feeling off no matter how clean you eat. If you're dealing with constant bloating, sugar cravings, blah, 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 you can go here and, read about this article. And then at the bottom of the article, and actually throughout the article, you can try it for free. Pretty interesting, right? I mean, and this is actually a different lander. So this one has this 93% sold bar, which is pretty interesting. And they're even saying, watch out for cheap replicas, which is kind of funny because I'm pretty sure this is a replica as well. Only our brand guarantees the highest quality product that loved by thousands. So yeah, this is for sure like a gray hat zone here, like a gray area that we're watching. But I personally really love to stumble upon these things, because there's just a lot of inspiration that you can get to run completely compliantly. Like, you don't need to run uncompliant things, guys. That's all up to you and how much risk you want to take with your business, but the strategies still remain, right? These are really, really smart things that they're doing, especially some of these static ads that they're running. As you see, some of these are ads that anybody could make, like literally anybody could make an ad like this. They're running a ton of static ads, and that's one of the things that intrigued me about this brand a lot, is their static ads are really good, and they're actually super easy for anybody to replicate, believe it or not. I simply use a tool called DraftPy, which is a tool that I built with my internal team at Akemi to be able to allow our entire team to make static ads in seconds, right? So now all of our team's creativity can be used to create winning ads, and it's super awesome. So let me show you how this works. I'll make a new folder and I'll say Resilia, right? Because that's their brand. So I'll just use that and keep it organized. That's one of the things that makes DraftPy really cool, is that you can organize everything into folders, as opposed to on Nano Banana where you can't do that, or also on Higgsfield where you can't do that. So everything is messy and slow. This keeps everything organized and fast. So I'll just basically paste an image of their static, and then I'll take an image from a different product, let's say on Supplyful. Supplyful is an amazing partner that we have inside ShoppyLab as well, which is free, by the way, to join. You can join for free and use a lot of the free features here, and also take advantage of some of the partnership deals that we have with brands such as Supplyful. But basically what's really cool about them is that they're always introducing custom labeled supplements that you can drop ship. So these are vetted suppliers, right? In the United States, vetted factories that don't have the technology layer or the design experience or the direct-to-consumer experience to really build up a brand, but they have the manufacturing capability. So what Supplyful does is they provide that technology layer for them to be able to do that. And of course, we can capitalize on that as well by basically taking what's working, right? Taking some of these winning statics, but applying them to our product. So let's take this one, right? So this is a methylene blue drops. That's pretty interesting. And this is a great product. So what we can do is use DraftPy to then, paste the product, and I'll say, swap out the supplement from the first image with the methylene blue supplement in the second image. Supplement bags from the first image with the methylene blue supplement bottle in the second image. Very simple prompt. We're not keeping it complicated here because we don't really need to, and we'll make it one-to-one because that's what their winning ad is. And we'll just click generate. And this is a huge hack. Of course, you can just use your own creativity and prompt whatever you want, but it's also a good idea to take inspiration from some of the top performing ads out there, specifically static ads, because static ads are very low friction to create with a tool like DraftPy. So I would highly suggest that you focus on that, since you can basically create high performing ads in seconds, right, from top performing brands You don't need Get Hooked, by the way, to find these ads. You can just browse the ad library as well. For example, you could just look up health and free shipping like this in the free Meta Ads library and find some awesome videos that people are running. But then what you can do even further is filter by media type and just do images, right? And then boom, we'll apply that filter. And we can also sort by impressions from high to low. So then boom, we get some static ads that we can literally replicate in 2 seconds. Like even things like this is actually a good one. I'm gonna copy this because one of our partners at Akemi, actually a huge brand, they have a brand in this category that we're running ads for. So I do need to find ads like this. And this is how this one came out, by the way, pretty good. It was just to show you an example of what you can do, but let me do this one actually. So I'll say recreate this ad, but let's see, aging, but make the woman's hair longer. Let's just say, right? We'll just do that and boom. And let's just do one. We don't really need to do more than that. And I'll show you just how this generates. But you see what I mean? Just doing a little bit of research and then using this tool to execute on the ads is incredible right now for finding success with Meta. And then of course you can do the same process for creating image ads, right? Or assets for your store. As you see, boom, it did it in a few seconds and now her hair is longer and it looks really, really nice. Actually, this looks awesome. So I might actually run this, right, for this one brand that I mentioned. But that's how you can get inspiration from a brand like this that's absolutely printing and launch something for your own store using something like Supplyful or any of our sourcing partners inside ShoppyLab. The only reason why I recommend ones where you can start with drop shipping, such as Team Drop and Supplyful, is because then it reduces the risk of launching your business by 100 times, right? Because you don't have to invest into inventory. So you can invest, for example, $300 into Meta ads and actually get some sales and cash flow, as opposed to investing $5,000 in inventory and then testing out Meta ads. That's a lot riskier. So that's why I like this method. And in fact, if you want to execute on some of these ideas with Supplyful, we are recruiting team members at Akemi that have the skills necessary to pull these off and that watch my videos and understand our exact structure that can help us launch more demo stores like this, but perhaps using this exact strategy, but instead of using Team Drop, using Supplyful. I didn't touch too much on all the different angles that they're running because it's literally so many. I mean, they have so many different angles that they're running. Even these kinds of ads right now that are basically saying like, goodbye, this is our lowest price ever, just very strong offer ads. This is not what I would start with. I would probably start more with the top of funnel ads that they run, which are more so the static ads that are basically, let me see, like these, right? These are very top of funnel ads. Like this has nothing to do with the brand, but the story does lead people to the brand, if that makes sense. So these are kind of the things that I would replicate. For this one, for example, I'm sure the ad copy is actually really, really long. And this is a classic strategy. I don't even like this formatting. They could have formatted this better, but hey, it's still working for them. So that's what I would recommend. And of course, if you have any questions about anything that I'm mentioning here, join our Discord community inside ShoppyLab. So if you go to shoppylab.ai, you can join our Discord for absolutely free. Just go to the bottom and then join our Discord. We are very active in our Discord community, answering your questions, talking about e-commerce, business, philosophy, investing, health, a lot of really interesting stuff. So I really want you to join. Like I said, it's free. And if you want to get in touch with me about any of the things I mentioned here, you can do it through the Discord support ticket system or by DMing me on Instagram at Ari Shearson. That's my Instagram handle. I'll link my account in the description. And that's it for this video. Peace out.